Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ash from the Solder Guy, and today one person came to my shop. He was trying to open his own module with his own hand, and he knocked out some SMD components, which I will show you this. As you can see, there are 5 components which has been knocked out. So today I will show you how to remove and solder back a new component. Here you can see the 5 components which has been knocked out. I am applying the paste. Now I am just repadding the component places. And let's just clean it. Now I am reapplying the paste. And now let's just desolder from the scrap board and solder it back to the working board. These are very tiny components, so we have to make sure our hand should be not very shaky, it should be very steady. This is the last component which I am soldering. And let's just reflow the component so that it go back to the original places. And now let's just wash. Here I am seeing some paste, so I just rewash it again. Looking good. Yeah, that's also at last I want to know you that this is my first video after 6 years, so I just hoping that I make more videos on this channel, so do subscribe, and if you like my content, make a thumbs up. comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.